Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday, and we are going to be working on that stuff right there. Going to get rid of all that rot. Just build a whole new piece for him. So we'll see. We got it on both sides. This one's pretty bad. So we're going to make a couple of pieces and then go back and see what else might be wrong. Let's get at it. Okay, started cutting away some of the rotten metal, so I've got to make a patch to go over this, and I'm gonna find out what he wants to do about this. That whole piece has got to be redone. So, this is going to be an interesting day, but I'll get it.